Welcome back to Mindset English, the place where English becomes more than a language. It becomes a lifestyle, a power, a mindset. You're not just here to improve your grammar or your vocabulary. You're here to become the best version of yourself. So, today I'm not just going to talk to you. I'm going to challenge you. I'm going to speak to the part of you that's been silent for too long. I want to wake it up. This could be the most important video you watch all year. Maybe your whole life. Because if you truly listen, and I mean really listen with your heart, not just your ears, this moment could change everything. Let me begin by asking you a very personal question. Are you truly happy with your life? If you knew you had just one more day to live, just 24 hours, would you feel proud of how you've spent your time? Would you be able to say, yes, I've lived fully, and I've given everything I had? If the answer is no, then this is your wake-up call. This is the sign you've been waiting for. Because here's the truth. Your life will not improve by chance. It will only improve by choice. You see, we keep waiting for the perfect moment. We think, I'll start next year, or when I have more time, or when everything feels right. But guess what? There is no perfect time. The perfect time is now. Change doesn't come knocking on your door. It doesn't send a message in advance. Change happens when you make a decision and you take action. You can't keep living in excuses. Think about the excuses you've made lately. I'm too young. I'm too old. I'm not rich. I'm too busy. I'm not smart enough. Sound familiar? Let me be honest with you. These are lies. Lies you've been telling yourself to avoid taking responsibility. You see, excuses are just comfort blankets. They protect you from the pain of failure, but they also keep you from the joy of success. Let me tell you why most people fail. It's not because they lack talent. It's not because they're unlucky. It's because they don't take action. They live in fear. They complain about problems but never solve them. They wait for motivation instead of building discipline. They wait for someone to rescue them instead of becoming their own hero. Do you think successful people had it easy? No. Let me give you a name. Oprah Winfrey. She was born into poverty, faced unimaginable abuse, and was told she wouldn't amount to anything. But she didn't listen to the voices that tried to break her. She listened to the voice inside her that said, "You are meant for more." She stayed focused. She worked relentlessly. And today she's one of the most powerful women on the planet. So what's your excuse? What's stopping you? Nothing but your own mindset. Now close your eyes for a moment. Just for a moment. Imagine waking up in a house you built with your own hard work. Imagine walking outside and seeing your dream car in the driveway. Your parents are there, smiling, peaceful, proud, because they know you've made it. They no longer worry about bills or struggle to sleep at night wondering about your future. You've given them the life they once only dreamed of for you. Now open your eyes. Does it feel impossible? It's not. That dream is real. But you have to decide. Do you want it badly enough? Here's something most people never hear. Your habits are either building your future or destroying it. Every small decision you make, every hour you waste, every opportunity you ignore, it all adds up. If you spend hours scrolling through social media, watching meaningless shows, or playing games to escape your reality, then you're literally throwing your future away. Time is your most precious resource. You can lose money and make it back. You can lose a job and find a new one. But time, once it's gone forever. So let me ask, how are you using your time? Are you investing it in your growth? Are you reading, learning, practicing, working toward your goals? Or are you wasting it, hoping that somehow, magically, your dreams will come true? Think about your parents. Think about your mother. She carried you for 9 months, gave up her comfort, her health, her sleep, just to bring you into this world. Think about your father, working late nights, sweating through hard days, just to make sure you had clothes, food, and a chance at an education. They sacrificed everything for you. Now it's your turn. Don't you want to give them the life they deserve? Don't you want to see your mother living peacefully in a beautiful home? Don't you want to see the tears of pride in your father's eyes when you tell him he doesn't have to work anymore because you've got it covered? This is not just about making money. This is about giving them the joy, the comfort, the peace they've earned. But success requires sacrifice. Let me say that again. Success requires sacrifice. It means waking up early when your bed feels warm. It means working on your dreams when your friends are out partying. It means saying no to short-term pleasure so you can say yes to long-term greatness. There's a story about a young man who wanted success more than anything. He went to a wise mentor and asked, "How do I become successful?" The mentor took him to the beach, walked him into the water, and suddenly pushed his head under the surface. The young man struggled. Just before he passed out, the mentor pulled him up and said, "When you want success as badly as you wanted to breathe, then you'll have it. That's what it takes. That level of hunger. That level of intensity. Now look around you. Who are you spending your time with? Are they pushing you forward or pulling you down? If your friends are lazy, negative, full of doubt, you'll become just like them. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so choose your circle carefully. Find people who inspire you, people who challenge you, people who want to grow. And if you have to walk alone for a while, so be it. Your future is worth more than anyone's opinion. And here's the most important thing I'll say today. Believe in yourself. Because if you don't, nobody else will. The world is full of people who will tell you that you can't. Prove them wrong. You have something special inside you. A fire, a light, a power that can't be measured by your past or your current circumstances. Look at Michael Jordan, cut from his high school basketball team. Did he give up? No. He worked harder than anyone else and became a legend. Look at Thomas Edison. He failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Did he give up? No. He said, "I didn't fail. I just found 1,000 ways that didn't work." Failure is not your enemy. It's your teacher. Embrace it. Learn from it. Then keep going. Take time for yourself. Not to waste, but to reflect. Every day, spend a few quiet minutes alone. Ask yourself, what do I really want? Visualize your dream life. Picture it in your mind so clearly that you can feel it, taste it, smell it. Because everything great starts with a vision. But don't stop there. Action is everything. A dream without action is just a fantasy. You must do the work every single day, even when it's hard, even when you don't feel like it. Control your mind and you control your life. Your mind can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Train it to focus on positivity, progress, and power. Whenever doubt shows up, say, "Not today. I am in control." And speak to yourself with love. Look in the mirror and say, "I am capable. I am strong. I am enough." Repeat it until your mind starts to believe it, because your brain listens to what you tell it. So make sure the message is empowering. Start small, but dream big. Don't underestimate the power of small daily actions. 5 minutes of learning, 10 minutes of journaling, 1 hour of focused work. These small steps turn into giant leaps over time, and be your own cheerleader. Stop waiting for others to believe in you. Believe in yourself so powerfully that others have no choice but to believe too. Read books that uplift you. Watch content that challenges you, and remind yourself every single day, I'm not finished. I'm just getting started. And while you work toward your dreams, don't forget to be grateful. Gratitude changes everything. Every morning, write down 3 things you're thankful for. It could be something small, your health, your family, even the opportunity to try again today. Gratitude reminds you that your life, right now, even with its struggles, is still full of possibility. Now this is it, the final moment. If you've stayed with me this long, I know you're serious. So I have one last challenge for you. Stop settling for average. Stop being okay with good enough. Start demanding more of yourself. You want the best? Be willing to give the best. Give your best effort, your best time, your best energy. The world isn't waiting for you to be ready. It's waiting for you to rise. And the world needs your light. So get uncomfortable. Take the risk. Dare to fail. Because even if you fall, you're still ahead of everyone who never tried. And when you feel like giving up, remember this. You are stronger than your fears. You are more powerful than your past, and your future is still unwritten. Write a story worth telling. And when the world tries to tell you that you can't, you stand tall and say, "Watch me." If you felt something deep in your heart today, if something inside you is awake now, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with someone who needs it, someone you care about. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Mindset English. This channel isn't just about learning English. It's about learning how to live with purpose, power, and passion. Your journey is just beginning. We're here to walk with you every step of the way. Until next time, believe in yourself. I believe in you. Now go out there and make it happen. You are unstoppable.